Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create new Flutter project on Android Studio. Let's open up the Android Studio. Okay, click on this plugins option, or you can click on this settings icon and click on this settings. Okay, and click on this plugins option, and now you have to install the plugin Flutter and that. Let's search for Flutter. Okay, choose this one, select this one and install it. It will install the Dart plugin to your Android Studio directly too automatically if you install this Flutter. Now you need to restart the IDE. Now apply it and click on OK and click on the restart Android Studio. Now you'll see this new Flutter project. Click on this. Okay, choose this one Flutter over here and keep the Flutter SDK path. You might have installed that to the C directory. Okay, inside the C, choose this folder. Click on OK. Now click on next and now give the project name, new Flutter project name. Let's say Flutter app, and also you can give the customize the project location where you want to save that. Okay, choose it from here. Okay, let's save it to the desktop. So the desktop. Okay, okay, you can also give the new directory. Let's create the new folder inside the desktop folder. Let's say it Flutter app 2. Okay, we created the new folder inside the desktop folder and it's going to save the new Flutter project to Flutter app. Now click on OK. Okay, choose the code name which is recommended, and you can also give this organization. Okay, description, and choose the project type application, and you can choose the platform. I'm gonna make Flutter project for Android, iOS. Okay, and let's choose it all and click on the create. Okay, it will take some time to create new Flutter project. Okay, here you go. New project has been created. Now if you see the desktop, as you can see, here is the new folder. Let's open up on it, and here are the Flutter projects file. Now let's run this. Okay, open this device manager, click on it and run the emulator you want to run this. Okay, from here let's choose the from this drop down, let's choose this one. This is currently running and click on the run app. Okay guys, this is how you can create a new Flutter project on Android Studio and run the app in the emulator. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.